Michael, is this your bar on the floor? What's it doing on the floor? You don't put food on the floor, you put it on the table. This toothbrush is bad, Dave? Come here.
Hey, Mom, there's number 5. There's number 5. Happy birthday!
Alright. And where's Dion? Is he pooping over there, baby?
Dion's 5 old. See, Dion's 5 old.
5 years old, that's right. Dion's 5 years old. Okay.
Check fires.
Which one you like? You
Let's
like
put in
the
fire and
chocolate
cake.
one? Is that the ones you want? The chocolate?
And then,
Which one you like?
hey, there's a chocolate.
That's the one you like? Okay. We gotta sing happy birthday first.
There's blueberry.
You gotta sing happy birthday first, Michael, and then we get cheesecake to eat.
Put some fires. And then cheesecake in it. And then put some cheesecake. And then,
Yeah, that's a good idea, babe. And then you won't go.
cheesecake. And then say happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. One for mommy. And then one for Michael.
Alright. We're gonna have a fork for Michael. A fork for mommy.
This one.
Where's- Yeah, that's right. And you can get a plate too.
Osita.
Alright.
About you.
Sit down.
He understands.
Put in this. Yay.
He understands.
Put in the
See how happy he is?
this. And then put in fires. Birthday.
Yeah.
That is a birthday. That's Dion's birthday too.
Michael, don't touch that.
That is Dion. There. A happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Another time. Happy birthday to you.
He's crying.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dion. Happy birthday to you. Good job singing, Dion.
Blow the candle. Yay! Yay!
You
Why
guys-
are you crying while singing?
Oh my.
Alright.
Michael,
Yay!
which one? This one? Or this one? Okay.
Oh.
Which one you want? This one or this one? Which
Alright.
one you want? This one? Chocolate? Which one or this one?
This is fun. That's the four.
one you want? Hmm?
Hey, Dion.
Well, Daddy's gonna have this one. Okay.
Michael's got this one.
Dion did sing a happy birthday.
Okay, you want chocolate?
Oh, you wanna see?
Which one?
No. And then open the present.
Airplane.
What is that? What type of airplane?
Oh, let's go.
It's a seaplane.
A seaplane. Wow! A seaplane.
Open yours up, Dion.
Oh,
Go get
open your seaplane. This one. Oh, give me the number 5.
Number 5.
Yes.
Okay, focus on getting him to.
Open yours again. Open. Good
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Open, anak, open.
Yeah, it does. It shows
Open.
the float's great
Open the whole
and
thing.
dishwater safe, babe. Fun and tub and pool.
Good job, more,
They
Dion.
can play in the pool.
Rip it
It's
up.
gonna be hot this weekend, babe. Like upper 80s. And Dion got a seaplane too.
Wow. Daddy gonna cut it.
Let me get it out for you. Okay.
Oh, this one. Open this, Dion. There's more. Open, Dion. Wow. Open this. Oh, there's more, anak. Open this, Dion.
He's wanting that seaplane. That's what he wants. There you go. There's your seaplane.
Yay. Oh, come here. There's more, anak. Oh, come here. Open. There's more gift. Open. Open. There's more gift. Open. Oh my gosh, you don't want it. Oh, no. This should be last, babe. My goodness.
What's that?
You should open this last.
Yeah.
Wait. Open this. Open. Dion, open.
This is Michael. That's Dion.
Dion, open.
Open, Michael.
Open. Open, anak. Open this one, anak. Open the gift. Open the gift. Dion, open the gift. Good job. Oh, open the gift.
Oh, it's
Oh,
alright.
wow. Open, Dion.
Open it up for you.
Open. Open it up, Dion. Good job. Oh, there you go. There's more. Dion, open. Oh my goodness. Michael, open it, Michael.
Michael, open it. Michael.
Oh, here's the battery.
Wow. There's more, Michael. Open. There's more. Open it up.
Oh my
Michael.
goodness, look at the size of this babe. I need a real tiny, screwdriver for that.
Wow, what is that?
That's the Dion babe. All right, seaplane, buddy.
Barry. Oh, Barry.
Birthday, baby Dion.
Happy birthday, baby Dion.
Sana makauwi ka ng Pinas. Makarga man lang kita. Pag okay na ang panahon. What are you going to say to baby Dion?
You have to come here soon, okay? Happy birthday, baby Dion. Wanna visit me here? Do you want to visit here? Because I miss you. Because I'm your cousin.
Galingan mo sa studies mo. Galingan mo sa studies mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dion. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, Dion. Happy birthday, Dion.
Santiago Guri. God bless you.
Bless you.
More birthdays to come, Dion.
Your birthday to come, Dion.
Kanta kayo, dali.
Happy birthday, Dion. Happy birthday, Dion. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Dion. Bye. Hey, Dion. It's your day. Wow.
Time flies so fast, years fly so fast. Now you're 5 years old. Woo! I wanna sing you a song and hope you like it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dion. Happy birthday to you. This is Aunt Rhea, your mom's partner in YouTube. I wish you in life, Dion, everything will be alright and you will have a good health always. Your mom loves you so much and she'll protect you no matter what. And enjoy your cake, blow your cake, and enjoy your day. See you!
Hello everyone, fans, followers, subscribers of Pilar Vlogs USA. Nice to meet you all. This is Mike and Judith Las Vegas. Of course, that is my YouTube channel. I'm here just to greet a happy birthday to Dion. Always be a good boy and good health, and God bless, and more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and stay safe always, guys, and enjoy the birthday, and happy birthday, and God bless.
Hello, baby Dion. Happy 5th birthday to you, baby. I wish you more good health. Stay strong. Always pray to God. And Mommy Pilar loves you always. And I wish you more birthdays to come. And happy birthday. Be a good boy always. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.